Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for coming back and thank you so much for joining me today. So on today's video I am back with another wig review. Yes, if you watched my last wig review, which was like 3 videos ago, I'm going to leave the link down below so that you guys can check that out. If you watched that, I talked about how it may seem I do much to my hair, but in reality I don't. I mainly just wear wigs, and this is one of my wigs. This is the type of wig you want to wear when you want to be low-key but still be looking fly. Yes, this is the type of wig you want to wear when you want to blend in. If you know what I mean. This is the type of wig you want to wear when people would think you put so much effort in styling your hair, but in reality you didn't, because this came out the box like this. You just have to be creative with it. You just have to style it however you want it, and it's gonna be looking fly with little change. Hey. So let's just jump right into the video and I'll talk to you guys more about the hair. So this I'd already opened it because I was gonna make sure they brought me the right thing before I embarrass myself on video, but yeah. So I'd already opened it, and this actually came from AliExpress. I got this from AliExpress, and this is the 3rd time actually I'm getting the same wig. It is a synthetic wig. I'll just open it right now and you guys will see. This is the 3rd time I'm getting a wig, because it's just convenient like that. It's just easy. And yeah, so this is the bag it came in, this pink baggy thing, and then in there is the hair. So in the bag we have, let's see. So in the bag we have, it comes with a wig cap, so a wig net, whatever you want to call it. So that's that, and then we have the hair. So let's see. So this is the hair. Like I said, it's the wig you want to wear when you want to blend in. I'm sorry, but yeah, it's just I don't wear those big hair going to work. Like, they're gonna be staring like crazy. They wouldn't get work done. So I just go with this. Like, those people don't even know what my hair looks like. They think this is my, like, they legit think this is my hair. I just, whatever, I don't know what they think, but yeah, I just wear this to work. Like I said, I've got this wig, like, this is the 3rd time I'm getting the same one, because again, it's synthetic. It's gonna last you up to a certain period of time. Eventually you're gonna have to chuck it away and, you know, get a new one. And it's soft, you know, it's soft. I wash it like I normally would with, you know, any other wig. And yeah, it's the last ones I actually got lasted me for, considering I was wearing it probably like every day to work and, you know, whatever, it lasted me for like a whole full year. And you know, you can still wear it. I could still wear it, but it's just like I don't want to be looking raggedy like that. So I got me a new one, which is, you know, it's very soft. You can tell, of course, it's synthetic because, you know, it's shiny, looking like, you know, we just came from I don't know what. But yeah, it is what it is. Like I said, it is a work wig. I'm not gonna go spend God knows what. Plus our guys trying to hustle in the streets. So yeah, we don't have money for like human hair wig and all of that shit. So this will do. Okay, so let's just try on the wig and I'll show you guys what it looks like on me. So basically, let me just show you. So this is the wig from the outside, right? And this is what it looks from the inside. So it's a normal wig cap as you would find anywhere. We have the 2 straps to secure it to the size of your head. So yeah, it's just a normal like, you know, wig structure. Nothing fancy, nothing different. So yeah, that's the inside of the wig. So let's just go ahead and try this wig on and I'll show you guys what it is. So this is basically what it looks like straight out of the box. So basically what you want to do is just, you know, make that work to your own face, whatever. I haven't really done anything to it. Like, I really don't do anything to it. Like, I could like trim something out of it, but at the end of the day I don't think it needs anything much, to be honest. It's just a regular wig. Something like this, you could like probably trim that off if you want it. Let's see, let me trim that off, for example. Let's trim that off because these sideburns are looking crazy. So yeah, So that's for that. It's actually a cute wig. Like I said, you're gonna be looking fly still, but you know, just being low-key. Like, it's actually a cute wig. You can tell, you can definitely tell. Probably, I don't know if you can, but I can, but because I know it is. But you can tell it's synthetic. It's not bad like that, but it's just, I don't know. Again, it works for me. It does the job, and I'm out the door in less than no time. So yeah, so this is what it literally looks like straight up though. So you can style it different ways. You can style it side like that. You can bring it to like making it look, I actually prefer the way I did it before. Let's see this way, for example. So yeah, you can style it like that. So you just bring it to the front, making like a cute bang situation or whatever. I don't like flat hair, so I'm gonna try to like give it as much volume as I can. You know, it's not like I can do much to this, but I don't want it to be looking flat. Like, you know, my head is already small as it is. But yeah, this is one style, or you can just sweep everything to one side or to the other side. You know, depends on what you're feeling, how you're feeling. You know, this is, let me show you the back of the wig. So it's actually, you know, this is the back. This is what it looks like from behind. Or another way could be like that, for everything to the side. So this is another way you can style the wig. So you can really do much, so you can really play with it and just, you know, make it look cute to your own face and whatever you prefer. If you prefer the side bangs, the middle bangs, or you know, whatever it is you prefer. I could as well just, you know, bring everything to one side, but like I prefer my bangs to go that way anyway. So yeah, so this is basically, it's a simple wig. Again, I don't know if you guys can tell on camera, you know, how shiny it is. It is shiny, like looking at it from here. Probably on camera it's not as shiny as it may be in real life, but I really don't care. Like, everybody knows synthetic, so what? So what? This is what I can afford, alright? And it's cute. It's cute. I look cute. It is cute, and like I said, I don't even know how I prefer to wear. I guess it depends. It just depends. But yeah, so yeah, this is the wig. You guys should let me know down in the comment section what style you prefer. If it's this side, you know, bangs to the side type of look, or the bangs in the middle type of look. So that's it for the video, guys. I just wanted to come quick and share this wig with you guys. I'm actually wearing this today. Like, to be honest, this is, like I said, the one I had before is kind of old. It's looking, you know, it's not really cute anymore. Like, you can still wear it, people could still wear it, but like, you know, you want to look some type, you want to look put together, you know, in the workplace and, you know, in the streets. You know what I mean? So yeah, that's why I got me another one, and this is pretty cute. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, thumbs up, comment down below what your favorite style was, if it's the side bangs or the middle bangs, and share the video, like the video, do not forget to subscribe, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye.